Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to make a long-lasting highly pigmented lip gloss that's non-sticky and doesn't smudge easily. FYI, if you want to know the exact percentage I'm using for each ingredient in this formula, you will need to purchase the formula. But if you just want to see an instructional video of how it's made, please keep watching. Okay, so first we're going to start out by adding our liquid pigment from TKB Trading. If you don't want to add, if you prefer not to use the liquid pigment, you can just substitute it with castor oil and add your pigments at the end. And up next we're going to be adding our isopropyl alcohol. You can also find this from TKB Trading. And up next we are going to be adding thickening clay. You can also get this from TKB Trading. As you can see, I'm stirring up the thickening clay right now because we want to make sure like you stir it in really good and blend it up really well, because you don't want any clumps of clay still left in the lip gloss. And now I'm going in with my mini stick blender and just making sure I'm mixing the clay in really well. I believe you can find this stick blender on TKB Trading website as well as Amazon. And now we're going to be adding our citrine wax. But before we add this wax, we need to make sure our oils have been heated up to at least 200 degrees Fahrenheit, because this wax seems to work a lot better when the oils have been heated. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, now that the wax has been melted, now I'm going to go ahead and add it to my tube. And this is the final result. And here's the swatch once again. As you can see, look how beautiful that applies. It's just thick, creamy, it's not sticky, it's like very moisturizing. And a lot of things like I don't like about like a lot of times when you wear pigmented lip gloss, you gotta worry about like the lip gloss kind of like spraying all around all over your lips. But with this formula, it really doesn't do that. It stays in place pretty good. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like on my lips. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave comments down below letting me know what you think and what other type of videos you would like to see me create in the future. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.